Very good. Raise it back to Majika. Majika up against Mlilo. In the box. Eli chance. That was close. And that a long ball forward. No dilly-dallying, but that is a beautiful pass. And Mandla Mulilo is cutting into the box. He sends a delivery in and it's cleared. Up against Arthur Chinda. That is going to be exciting, but Yadah still in possession. And they send it. The danger is still there. Oh, and it's a penalty. Early drama in this match, Veronica. In the sixth. And a very slow run up to the ball. He strikes it well, and his breakthrough. Khama Billiat. He takes the goal, opens the scoring for Yadah, and he strikes the Sioux. Eight minutes played, and Lightful Dink, and it's a chance. The captain putting his body on the line. The pressure is still on. Evans Rusike, big save from Donovan Bernard.
Sure, with the dead ball situation.
Well, let's see what he'll do. Is predicted is a poor delivery. Every time that he's on the ball, the atmosphere turns electric. Oh, it's Evans Rusike. Donovan again. A big save.
On forward, and I see an improved Yadah. That's probably because of the levels that there's former South African stars brought.
Yeah, and Rusike will lead the charge now. Ndereki, he finds Evans Rusike. He's brought down. It's a penalty again. 3 minutes to go, and it's a slow run up again. And he strikes. Different side this time. Same result. Khama Billiat from the spot again to put Yadah 2 goals up. And he strikes the iconic celebration.
And it's looking at, he has just scored in these 2 games, but he has registered his name.
He tucked in and full of running as well. So it is a free kick.
Donovan Bernard's positioning, we can't really.
So it is Khama versus Makopa. It is Khama and Makopa. Billiat. Oh, he shaves the crossbar.
Looking at the numbers, 10 men against 11.
But like we say, stranger things have happened before. And speaking of remarkable comebacks, well, let's see. Guatidzo says that one fizzing. Donovan Bernard at full stretch. A very impressive figure in the full sunshine there, Veronica. Everyone, like you said, is out to see football. So it is a chance for chicken in cracker from distance. Is in the frame, but now the counter is on with chicken in. And they will be cutting in from the right. Sending the way. It's a chance. And it's a goal. Chicken in half the deficit. It's Brendan Rendo, the substitute. It's game on at the Hart Stadium. 2-1 the scoreline. Chicken in came out to chase team in the second half. Yadah had their chances. They didn't take them. And Chicken in just like that, bang. Are we about to witness another comeback, Veronica?
Someone who supports him up front.
Yeah, and you know, the player who has complemented his runs the most this season has obviously been Brian Musa in most of their matches, but Musa is off the field of play now, and now it's a long range, so King Nadolo will dink it, but Chicken in position. It's a 6-man wall for Chicken in. With the right foot this time, Billiat tried to take them by surprise, but the wall does its job. 2 minutes of regulation time to go. And it is Tulani Joseph for the delivery. Half a chance, but Takarinda will make sure. And 3 minutes of regulation time have been played. And Lawrence Zimondi blows for full time. Yadah record their first win at the Hart Stadium. Their second win over Chicken in the top flight. In the second half, really, Veronica, some will tell you that the match was done and dusted in the first half.